Good morning everyone. Myself Gulbari from group 111932. Today my topic of discussion is paradoxical heat sensation. The phenomenon of paradoxical heat refers to a perception of heat when the actual skin temperature is at or below neutral. Classically, the spinothalamic tract has been associated with pain and temperature sensation. Paradoxical heat sensation upon cooling of the skin has been reported in central as well in peripheral neurological conditions. The thermal sensation model and the principal hypothesis of the mechanisms of the paradoxical heat sensation. We can show that A is the thermal sensation model. Heat is conducted from the C fibers through the spinothalamic tract to the HPC cells in thalamus via lamina at the dorsal horn. B is indicate paradoxical heat sensation is sensed via the A delta cells fibers called pathway due to an altered pattern of firing consistent with a pattern code modality. C is paradoxical heat sensation is sensed via the C fibers HPC cells pathway as a result of disinhibition consistent with a labeled line code modality. D is paradoxical heat sensation is sensed peripherally via the A delta fibers but is transmitted onto the heat sensing pathway centrally as a result of a crossover due to a neuromodulars. Paradoxical heat sensation can occur during prolonged intense skin cooling and when the skin temperature returns to a neural level after intense cooling. Example on moving indoors after being outside on a very cold day. Paradoxical heat sensation is encoded via the heat sensing pathway. Its accordance with the labeled line code theory. The mechanisms proposed suggest a malfunctioning cold sensing pathway, disinhibiting the heat sensing pathway at peripheral, central, or both levels, thus facilitating a paradoxical heat sensation. Thank you.